Welcome dear student in one another session in a pharmaceutics first practical session. Myself Darshana Sandeep Shinde, and let's start our session. Today we see the experiment number 13. Title of our experiment is to prepare, evaluate and submit 100 ml of compound sodium chloride solution IP. Another name for this preparation solution is Ringer's solution. Let's see the learning outcomes of our today's experiment. After watching this video, students should be able to develop the intellectual skill to understand the concept of dissolution and to develop some motor skill like measurement and dissolution. Then we see the theory regarding the solutions. What are the different techniques used for the making the solutions soluble? These are the very different techniques. We see that. Now we see what are the solutions. Let's introduction to the solutions. Solution is a physically and chemically homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Main consideration in the formulation of solution is solubility of medicament in the solvent. A solution, the component of a solution present in the larger quantity, is referred to as a solvent, while other present in a smaller amount is known as the solute. The true solution, the solute is present in the molecular or ionic form, and hence true solution as referred as a molecular dispersion. The various excipient used in the dosage form for its stability as well as to improve the patient compliance. These are the solubilizing agents, viscosity controlling agents, buffers, antioxidants, colors, flavors and preservatives. These are the agents which are used as an excipient in the dosage forms. Then next we see the different forms of the solution. That means very soluble solution, freely soluble means what? This is the descriptive terms, and in these parts of solute per one part of the solute. That means how much part is get soluble. Very soluble means less than one part is remain insoluble. Freely soluble means from 1 to 10 parts remain insoluble. Soluble means from 10 to 30 parts. Sparingly soluble means from 30 to 100 parts get insoluble. Slightly soluble, here the concentration is increased. 100 to 1000 part is not soluble. Very slightly soluble means from 1000 to 10,000 part is not soluble. Insoluble or practically insoluble means more than 10,000 part is remain insoluble. Then different techniques for the solubility enhancement are solubilization using the surfactant, consolvency, then pH modification, complexation, hydrotropy, chemical modification of the drug. First of all, we see solubilization using the surfactant. A solubilization may be defined as the dissolution of poorly soluble solute molecules in the water in presence of surfactant, forming the thermodynamically stable solution. Surfactants are molecules with the well-defined polar and non-polar region that allow to aggregate in the solution, form a micelles. Solubilization occurs by solute dissolving in or being absorbed into the micelles, that is cresol with the soap solution. This is the example of that. Then next method is consolvency. In that, consolvency is the process of enhancing the solubility of a very poorly soluble drug in the water by adding water miscible solvent in which the drug is very soluble. Then the solvent is employed in achieving this goal are called as the co-solvents. The enhanced solubility through the consolvency is however regarded as the result of independent solubility of the substance in each co-solvent. Example of it, co-solvent as ethanol, sorbitol, glycerin, propylene glycol, etc. These are used as a co-solvent. The next method is pH modification method. In this method, solubility of weak acid and weak bases can be markedly affected by the pH. Hence, solubility of the drug, which are either weak acid or weak bases, may be influenced by the verification in the pH. Example of it, strong solution of ammonium acetate. The next method is complexation. In this, complexation is association between the two or more molecules to form a non-covalent base complex that has higher solubility than the drug itself. Organic compounds have a tendency to associate with each other. Example of it, complexation of iodine and potassium iodide in the iodine solution. The main consideration involved in the employing the complexation techniques are: first, the amount of a drug which can be dissolved by specific complexing agent, then whether the resulting complex is safe, stable and therapeutically effective. These are the techniques while main consideration, or these are the main consideration while employing the complexation method. Then hydrotropy. The term hydrotropy designate in increasing solubility of a drug in water owing to the presence of large amount of additives. Example of it, increased solubility of caffeine in presence of sodium benzoate and theophylline in presence of sodium salicylate. This one is example. Second, the possible mechanism of hydrotropy is considered to be the solubilization, complexation and co-solvency also. The next method is chemical modification of the drug. The method is based upon preparing the water-soluble derivative of a poorly soluble drug. Example of it, alkaloids are poorly soluble. Their derivative with the acids, these are alkaloidal salts, are fairly soluble. Example, drug like the corticosteroids have been esterified to produce the water-soluble derivatives. Other important problem involved in the development of formulation for the liquid preparations are stability, sterility, organoleptic qualities, viscosity, tonicity, specific gravity. These are the other problems while making the preparations. These are the filter plate which are used for the filtration purpose. In this filter plate, we see that different plates are used. These plates are contained the small holes, and from this, by applying the pressure, we can filter our solution. This is the metafilter which can be used for the clarification purpose rather than the filtration one. After seeing the theory, we discuss about the apparatus. Apparatus required for our today's experiment are conical flask, glass beaker, glass rod, volumetric cylinder, dispensing balance and spatula. Then we see the formulation table, how the formulation table can be prepared. Our preparations procedure can be mentioned in the Indian Pharmacopoeia. That's why this formula we keep from the IP. The formulation table contains the ingredient quantity given for 1000 ml or for our formulated amount, then quantity taken and use of the ingredient. Our today's experiments ingredients are sodium chloride 8.6 gram for 1000 ml, potassium chloride 0.3 gram for 1000 ml and calcium chloride 0.33 gram for 1000 ml, and purified water quantity sufficient to 1000 ml. This is the formula for the 1000 ml, and we have to prepare only the 100 ml of solution. That's why we calculate the factor. Factor can be calculated by the quantity required upon quantity given. Our quantity required is only 100 ml and quantity given is 1000. So our formula is 0.1. By this 0.1 we multiply the quantity given and then ultimately we get the quantity taken. Then sodium chloride's quantity is 0.86 gram for 100, 0.03 gram for 100 ml, and calcium chloride quantity is 0.033 gram for the 100 ml, and purified water is required quantity sufficient to 100 ml. Here the sodium chloride, potassium chloride and calcium chloride, all both three are used as an electrolyte repletioner here, and purified water is as a vehicle. Then we go through the stepwise procedure. In this, compound sodium chloride solution IP contains the three electrolytes, that is sodium chloride 0.86% weight by volume, potassium iodide 0.03% weight by volume, and calcium chloride hydrates 0.033% weight by volume. It is used as a fluid and electrolyte repletioner in case of the excessive loss of water and salt from the body. It is also used as the irrigation solution. Irrigation solution, that means to wash our body cavities. It is to be taken in a large quantities as required by a patient. Also, dissolve 3 salts in a sufficient quantity of recently boiled and purified water and make up volume to the 1000 ml. Here we make up 100 ml filter solution, then returning the filter and until free from the suspended particle. Here we prepare the compound sodium chloride solution IP, but we do not sterilize it. That's why we do not taken or we should not take it as a transfusion fluid. This procedure or this preparation is used as for the irrigation solution, that is to wash the body cavities. Category is irrigation solution, that means this preparation we prepare here we may use as an external solution, use not for the internally, not as an electrolyte repletioner. We do not inject it into our body, we should use as a irrigation solution. And then storage, store in a well closed container in a cool place. Then we move toward the laboratory for the experiment.
Welcome in pharmaceutics first laboratory. In this session we see the how to prepare the compound sodium chloride solution. It is also known as the Ringer solution. Let's see the chemicals and apparatus required for this preparation. First of all, we see the chemicals: sodium chloride, potassium chloride and calcium chloride, and purified water. In apparatus section, measuring cylinder, beaker. If the our preparation has any particulate matter, then the filtering assembly. We already measure our ingredients: sodium chloride 0.86 gram, potassium chloride 0.03 gram, and calcium chloride 0.33 gram, and this is our purified water. Let's start the preparation. For this purpose we have to add all the 3 ingredients. Take a 3 ingredients in a beaker. Mix with sufficient quantity. We have to prepare 100 ml of Ringer solution or compound sodium chloride solution. So we first of all take a little bit of water, and this solution is known as compound sodium chloride solution because chiefly or mainly it has contained the sodium chloride as the main ingredient, but potassium chloride and calcium chloride also it contains, and this preparation is used as a repletioner fluid or irrigation fluid and electrolyte repletioner. We see that our ingredients are mixed. Then finally we make up the volume to 100 ml. Finally we make up the volume. Pour this solution into the measuring cylinder. and adjust up to the 100 ml with the purified water. This is our 100 ml. Our preparation does not contain any particulate matter or do not shows the any particulate matter that can be seen easily. That's why there is no need of the filtration. And then this is our preparation. Appearance is clear. Volume is 100 ml and it's odorless. That means all the evaluation tests are fulfilled by our preparation.
After goes through the stepwise procedure, we move towards the observation and evaluation table. Observation and evaluation table contains the name of preparation, that is compound sodium chloride IP, and test, specification and observation. Test should be performed as description. We see that in a practicals laboratory, we see that the description of our preparation is clear one. We confirm that test. Color of our preparation is colorless. That we confirm that test. Odor of our preparation is odorless. We also confirm that test. Test is mildly saline. It contains some electrolytes. That's why its taste is saline. Observation is also confirmed. pH. We see in practical session of pH of our solution is between the 5 to 7.5. So we also confirm that test. The evaluation table or evaluation is important one in our practicals, because our title or our aim is to prepare, evaluate and submit. Though we evaluate our preparation and it is confirmed or it is passing that test. Then we move toward the labeling of the formulation. Label of the formulation or proper label of a solution should be as the name of our solution, that is compound solution IP. Then quantity is 100 ml, it should be mentioned, or volume should be mentioned. Then each 100 ml contain composition of our preparation should be mentioned on the label. Each 100 ml contain, or we can also write in each 1 ml contain, each 10 ml also. Here we calculated as each 100 ml contains sodium chloride 0.86 gram, potassium chloride 0.03 gram, calcium chloride 0.33 gram, and purified water QS to 100 ml. Category of our preparation is irrigation solution or electrolyte repletioner. Here we use as an irrigation solution, not for the internal use. It is not used as a transfusion fluid because we do not sterilize it. So we write the category for external use only. Storage. Store in a very closed container in a cool place. Then other manufacturing details like the manufacturing license number, manufacturing batch number, manufacturing date, then expiry date of our preparation, maximum retail price, and the last we should mention the name and address of manufacturer at the bottom. All these are the specimens should be mentioned in our label properly. So we get an idea about our preparations. While making the label, we should keep in mind that our label is not too much of a big than our container, or not too much of small than toward our container. It should be appropriate one. Then we move towards the next session, that is the result. Result of our preparation should be written as 100 quantity of our preparation, that is 100 ml of compound sodium chloride solution IP is submitted in a well closed container in a cool place with the net label. This is our result. In this way we finish our practical. Then we move toward the question answer session. In this, first of all, we give the synonym of a compound sodium chloride solution. Synonym for our compound sodium chloride solution is Ringer's solution. What is the minimum weightable quantities on electrolyte balance? That is 1 milligram is the minimum weightable quantity in the electrolyte balance. Name the different filtration units in the industry for non-sterile filtration. These are the filter paste, center glass filter, meta filtered, candle filtered. What are the active ingredients of the Ringer solution? We see that the active ingredients are potassium chloride, sodium chloride, calcium chloride are the active ingredients. Why the word compound is used in the nomenclature of this formulation? Here we use the word compound because compounding means addition of more than 2 drugs. Then the compounding, that means compounding, this can be made by the 3 main ingredients: sodium chloride, potassium chloride and calcium chloride. That's why it is known as the compounding. Adding the more than 2 components is known as the compounding one. Under which medical condition there is excessive loss of the body fluids? There are many conditions, but here we mention the dehydration, diarrhea, then dysentery. These are the conditions where we lost excess of water. What are the isotonic solution? Isotonic solutions, these are means the solution having the same osmotic pressure as that of our blood plasma. Write the route of administration through which the preparation given should be isotonic. Isotonic solutions should be given by the IV route only. Thank you very much for attending my practical session.